today we're going to be fixing the exhaust. So you might be asking yourself, why am I going to be fixing the exhaust when I already put 2 new mufflers on it to, I guess, make it loud? Well, the problem with just putting straight pipe mufflers on is it's super drony. It's really bad on a freeway, it's horrible, and I guess you just can't even speak or listen to the radio pretty much. We tried, I guess, limiting the sound a little bit by putting the sound deadening in. I'll put that up there if you haven't seen that before. But we tried sound deadening the boot just to try and limit it a bit, and also I sprayed just like a body deadener underneath the car. Now that, to be honest, that does shit all. So today we're going to be essentially straight piping my mid pipe, and until tomorrow I will put my stock mufflers back on. I guess just to, because it's going to be super drony obviously, because it's going to be completely straight pipe apart from 2 cats up in your headers, but pretty much straight pipe all the way back to the mufflers, and then that will be where it dampens the sound. You guys all know what I mean. We're going to be cutting out a resonator and 2 hot dogs today at my friend's shop, so we're going around there very soon. We've actually got free range of a whole exhaust shop, so that's pretty exciting. And then we're going to see what it sounds like with just the straight pipe mufflers on, driving home until tomorrow. Then I can put them back on. So let's get into this.
Day 2.
Okay guys, I guess I want to start by saying I'm sorry for this being such a, I guess, a pretty crappy video about fixing the exhaust. So my friend and I, like I said, we had free range of an exhaust shop. It was actually one of his mates. He races, so it was a performance shop that we're going to, and we're just using their tools, using their parts. I was just, paying for materials pretty much. And my mate's a welder, so he knows everything to do. Basically, we got there was a bunch of, I guess, his mates and other employees that work at the performance shop. So I didn't really want to pull out the camera and, I guess, be filming what we were doing, just because it's a bit awkward with people I don't know. Like, it's still awkward with people I do know, like my friends, but I'm sort of trying to grow on that and I guess learn how not to be awkward around my friends. Yeah, I just want to say I'm sorry. So to still make this a video, because I still want to show you guys what I've done. I don't want it just to be nothing and suddenly my whole exhaust setup has changed and you just have no idea what happened and I don't tell you anything. So I'm still going to show you what we've done, and that's why it's also parked sort of on this funny angle. It's pulled up on a bank so I can get under the car, because I want to show you what we done underneath while it was up on the hoist and everything. Anyway, let's not make this video a really sad and crappy video. I'm excited with what we done. I think it's great, and I guess let's just show you what happened. In the mid pipe of the VE Commodore exhaust, we've got one massive resonator, and then it's got 2 hot dogs. Well, mine did anyway. Other people's might not be, because I think someone's actually touched the exhaust on this before. So these are what we took out. This is the resonator. Obviously they're the 2 hot dogs. And that, well, I guess that's facing the engine. This is the exhaust side, the muffler side. Got shit on my hand. Pretty much what we done was we cut them out, and it is straight piped at the moment, which I'm going to show you what it actually sounds like, because at the moment we're running basically completely straight pipe. Yeah, so we are complete straight pipe from the headers back, or from the header pipe, down pipe, whatever, back. We're completely straight pipe apart from the hot dogs at the rear, but they do shit all. And it is really loud. And I'm going to be putting the stock mufflers back on this afternoon, which I'm not going to worry about doing that, because, well, you guys saw me put the aftermarket ones on, so it's the same thing anyway. And I'll link it up. I'll link the aftermarket one up there if you need to know how to, take it off, get it on, and all that sort of stuff. So let's take a look underneath the car. So this is pretty much what we've got going on here. From there, that's welded on. Then you had the resonator, and then where that plate is was the 2 hot dogs, and then that goes back, and we've welded it on down there. That comes all the way back here. That's still straight piped. Then we have back here, that's a hot dog, and that's our tips. So pretty much it is completely straight pipe from all the way up there, all the way back. Yeah, so that's pretty much what we done last night. So I'm trying to sneak home without anyone seeing me. I'm taking all the back roads, things like that. As soon as I get home, whacking the mufflers on, which, like I said, I'm not going to show you because it's really easy. But that is basically the new exhaust setup. Well, we'll have the stock mufflers back on. Sadly, it's single tip. on either side, so dual, whatever. But I'm going to be, I'll find some maybe stock SS mufflers, maybe, or get some aftermarket quad tip, because I just want that quad tip look. I'm really happy with the look, and I don't want singles out either side, because I think that doesn't look as good as quad. I guess you want to hear it, don't you? So let's start her up. I'll obviously move from here. So let's start it up, and I'll give you a bit of a show. So this is going to be a bit of a before and after. You guys remember at the start of the video I've done a bit of before. I'll put the before now. So that's sort of the end of this video. I'm really sorry again that I didn't film us putting it all in. I know you guys would probably like to see that, and I probably should have just filmed it anyway. But you know, things happen. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm a bit sad that I have to get rid of the quad tips for now, but they'll be back. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means a lot to me. Like and subscribe if you want to see more of all this. Leave a comment down below what you think about the straight pipe, and maybe should I go back to it? No, I probably couldn't. It's very illegal over here. I'm sad I gotta go put my singles back on, but we'll see how that goes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time, guys. Bye.